It's an initiation, it's a coming of age, it's a sort of death and rebirth. And so the more that we cling to the old paradigm, the more we're going to suffer. And I'm reminded of the Hopi prophecy that said, in these times, the river is running very strong. Right? And there'll be people who cling to the old ways and feel that they're dying and their lives are being threatened. They're wrestling with the change, holding on to the branches. And there'll be those who trust and let go and are swept to the sea where they need to go.
What is God? God is the state of potentiality of love and wisdom and truth that we all aspire to, and that everything within our universe exists within.
It's about waking up and becoming aware. There's old patterning running within us from our own lives and through many generations that have been ancestrally, genetically passed down, that have been passed down through societal forms that we have grown up in. So there are a lot of old belief systems going on. And so the more we can have a sense of spaciousness with them and begin to question, is this true? Instead of assuming that's true and not getting caught up in those patterns of the mind.
The only thing that can condemn you spiritually is a spiritual act or a mental act. So if you sink into disorderly conduct of any kind and you accept it, that's a sin. That's going to be against you for improving yourself. So that's when you have to think about circumcision. Circumcise these desires, meaning don't accept them, fight against them. If you keep fighting, God gives you the victory. You cannot win on your own. But that's the thing. As you win, you begin to get to know God better because God has intervened. God is very close to you when you're fighting spiritually. In spiritual combat, God is the closest to you. And if you cling to God consciously, you go through into victory. And then you feel on the other side.
Thank you.